Good morning. It's another beautiful day. Warm, sunny. It's like summer's here. Although it always feels like summer is here. At Pearl Lake Country Holiday Park, it's just such a great uplifting environment. A great place to own a holiday home. A great place to come and visit. So many things to see and do on park, with the golf course and the fishing lake and the nature hide and the woodland walks and a bar and a restaurant and a adventure playground with a zip wire. Wow, it's pet friendly, everybody's friendly. It's some sort of utopia. Have I gone too far? I hope not. And to match that just feeling of belonging, then what sort of holiday home can do that? Something like the ABI Beverley, which is this one. We're just on a sales pitch here, so that view out the front windows will not be the view that you have if you choose to own the Beverley. It's simple, it's unpretentious, but it's not basic. It has everything that you need. I really like it because of that. It's sort of no fuss. It gets you on park. All of the advantages of being on park here, with the free golf and the free fishing. And so for me, that time would be spent outside, just enjoying just all the amazing things that you can do here and in the surrounding area. Twin bedroom. There is a wardrobe space in there. That's opposite the shower room for the homes. There is a shower in there, a WC and a sink, and that can act as the ensuite shower room really for the guest bedroom. The master bedroom is just lovely and relaxing. Beautiful space. There is in here the ensuite bathroom with a proper bath. Fantastic feature. So the ABI Beverley, everything you need, nothing that you don't. It's going to suit a lot of people. I hope the park is going to suit you too. Come and have a look at the park first. Pearl Lake could just tick all of your boxes. If you think it might, give us a call on 01568 708 326, or you can email us on info@discoverparks.co.uk. We'd love to see you soon. We'll answer any questions you might have and hopefully find the right holiday home on the right park that meets your needs. Thanks very much. Bye.